Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Angie, and on my channel I like to do all things homemaking, especially cooking and decorating. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tablescape ideas for fall and Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy the video and it gives you lots of new ideas. Let's get started. First we're going to start with our tablescape from 2023 in our dining room. I'm adding this tablecloth here. It's a Nicole Miller that I found at Home Good a couple years ago. It has neutral and jewel tone leaves on it. I like it because it's white and it's neutral enough where I can change my centerpieces if I want to. And these are just some pumpkins that I've collected throughout the years. And I'm just adding some picks to this. You can do leaves or flowers or pumpkin picks, whichever you like. And it's also an easy way to add more color and texture without buying a garland. And here I'm just placing some loose leaves that I had just in different places, different empty spots on the table, instead of throwing them away. And now I'm just going to add my candlesticks to this. This is a candlestick set that I found on Amazon. And the candles are different heights. I'm just going to tuck those in. And now I'm just adding these basket chargers that are from World Market. And then I like using white plates. And then sometimes I'll put a pattern on top in a smaller plate or bowl. I got these plaid napkins from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. And if you've watched my channel before, you know I like mixing patterns. And these are some antique fruit plates, harvest type plates with gold rim. And then sticking with the jewel tones, I'm using these blue goblets. And then for my Thanksgiving home tour, I changed the table up a little bit. I took the center pumpkin out and put the turkey there in the center. And I also changed the napkins. And it ended up having kind of a French country look to it that I really liked. And I also added the pears to the table and a blue dish also. But I thought this turned out really pretty. And now I'm moving into the kitchen. Usually I like to keep our kitchen table kind of simple because this is where we eat most of the time. So I'm just adding this runner that I found at Pier 1 Imports a while ago. And then this basket tray I found at the at-home store. And now I'm just adding a simple greenery from Hobby Lobby to the middle here. And then I'm gonna place this glass pumpkin in the center. And then I have some dried hydrangeas from my yard that I'm just gonna stick in here. I like using different shades of blue with my fall decor. And then I'm gonna add a few orange leaves. And then my acorn salt and pepper shakers and just some sunflower napkins. So that's the look for the kitchen. And kind of an overview of the kitchen here. Okay, now we're in 2024. I'm using the same tablecloth. I made this cornucopia. It has some pink hydrangeas and apples and different leaves in it. Now I'm just kind of sorting through my picks here to see what I have to work with. So I've got these pretty leaf picks that I got at Hobby Lobby. So what I'm trying to do with the picks is just make the cornucopia kind of spill out onto the center of the table. And then I'm gonna add some picks to it here. I've got this Indian corn that I got at Michael's, and then these little vine balls from Amazon. So that's my centerpiece. And then I'm going to start putting my basket chargers around that I used the previous year. Those kind of match my cornucopia. And then this year I'm using some white china that has our last initial on it. And now I'm gonna show you how I fold the napkin to look like a maple leaf. So you fold it in half. And then you bring the bottom corner up to meet in the center. And then flip it around so the long sides on the bottom. Flip those corners up to meet in the center. And then you just want to spread those two layers apart. And then you kind of gather them up at the bottom edge. And then that's where your napkin ring goes. I'm using a thankful napkin ring, but a basket napkin ring or a gold ring or brass would be pretty also. Then we're just gonna lay that in the center of the plate. And then I just decided to use my clear goblets for this setting. And this is the final look of the table when I was finished. And now we're moving into the kitchen. This table runner I found at Hobby Lobby. I believe they still have it there, or they did not too long ago. And I like to do a simple tablescape. So here I'm just using a basket tray I got at the at-home store with the doily in it. And then my daughter-in-law bought me this copper pitcher. So I'm gonna put that in the center. And then I have this eucalyptus ball spray I got at Hobby Lobby along with some leaves from there. So I'm gonna use those as my centerpiece. And last year the cosmos were pretty popular. So I've got some white cosmos I'm gonna stick in here with this from Hobby Lobby. They came in different, I think there were 3 different colors. And then that's just a harvest wreath candle from the Yankee candle store. And then I'm adding a couple pumpkins here. And then these are those harvest fruit plates. They're antique, I got them off of Etsy. And then I bought this pie plate with lid at Home Good last year. Usually they have some type of pumpkin dishes every fall. And these are plastic black chargers from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna place those around. And then I'm just gonna use my basic white French country dishes. This brings us towards the end of our video, fall 2025. Here I'm just going to show you how I do a quick table centerpiece before Thanksgiving. I'm just putting this cornucopia down, and then I'm going to add these picks. And then instead of decorating the whole table and setting it like I do for Thanksgiving, I'm just gonna add a couple candlesticks. And this is how I have it before I set it for Thanksgiving. Now we're moving into the kitchen to show how I decorated for fall at the beginning of this fall season. I had this large basket tray and these copper pieces. And then I'm adding this house with a copper roof and this pumpkin. And then this small pumpkin found at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just using these plastic confetti shaped leaves and pumpkins. I'm just sprinkling around to add some sparkle to the table. And then I'm adding this fall eucalyptus branch from Hobby Lobby. And this is how I kept it most of the season. And then you'll see at the end how I changed it up for Thanksgiving. Okay. So what I did is just took this small tray basket and I put this candle holder in, and I just added some loose leaves here and some of the acorn confetti type stuff that I had. And I got this tablecloth off of Amazon, just a neutral tablecloth. And then I layered my plates. This is just a plastic charger from Hobby Lobby. And then I put my dinner plate down. And then I added this napkin I got at Hobby Lobby last year, just a neutral napkin. Put my lunch plate on top and then added one of these white pumpkins. And then I got my salt and pepper shakers, my antique dessert plates or lunch plates, and the pitcher that goes with them. Just like in here, I've used most of these pieces before, just in different rooms and in different ways. Because I realize most people don't buy all new decor every year, including myself, so trying to be practical here. So that's the setup for the kitchen. And here's a view from the island over. And here's the new tablescape for my dining room area. But what I did is I have this cornucopia that I've been using, and then I just added to this. I've got like these leaf picks that I've shown you in videos before. I just kind of extend this with. And then I added a hydrangea pick and just some pumpkins and pumpkin picks. And these I think they sell some similar, or they used to at Hobby Lobby, but I got them on Amazon. And so I just kind of extended the cornucopia by adding pumpkins and other picks to it. And then I just put my candlesticks up. And then the way that I did these napkins is you just kind of fold each side over like that. And then you're gonna kind of fold it like a fan. Can't really do it with one hand, so I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. But you just kind of fold it back and forth like you would a paper fan. And then fold it in the center like this. And then put your napkin ring on. So it ends up looking like this. So that's my tablescape for this year. Thanks for watching. I have one more fall video coming up, my Thanksgiving home tour, and then I'll start on Christmas. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.